I just wanted to quickly make a video to show you how to use the PE board game to play your own game. There's a little trick to it because it's on Google Slides. It's not perfect, but I hope this video will help. So we've got our game board here on the first slide, and we're going to roll our die to see how many spaces we should move. So to roll the die, you're going to push the play button and then pause it. We got a 3. So you can pick your favorite color. I'm going to be red and move 1, 2, 3 spaces. Now above my space here, there's this black rectangle. That's the button we're going to click to go to see what our activity is for number 3. So I'm going to click that, and it says Popsico with Miss Leah. So you can play the video and do the dance. So let's pretend we already did it. Once you're done playing, what you're going to do is click this X, and it's going to take you back to your game board, and you can try playing again. So we'll roll again, see what we get this time. I got a 2, so I'm going to move 2 spots. 1, 2, and now I'm on spot number 5. So same as before, we're going to click on the button that's above the space and go to that slide. Water break! Get to drink some water, take a break for a minute, and then we're going to hit the X and go back. I'm just going to move myself over to this side so that I'm not in the way. Same thing, we're going to roll again. We got a 5. We're going to move 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, click the rectangle, go to the slide, animal freeze dance. Now, I want to show you that some of the slides have not just a video to play, but something a little different going on. So let's see if we can find a slide like that. So some of the slides have a locomotor skill that they're showing, and you're going to start your timer, and you can do that skill for the amount of time on the timer. So this is skipping. So you would start your timer and skip for 40 seconds. And then you would hit your X button and go back to your game board. So I hope this helps you with how to play our PE board game. You could play it with a friend if you want. There's lots of game pieces here. You could totally play it with 2 people or even 3 people, and everybody can do all of the different activities together. I hope you have fun.